Hi, everybody. I haven't updated this in over a month, and I had computer problems. I was on vacation, got busy helping my nephew buy a house, and so I got back to it. It was really a lot of fun to look at and see what's happening with the market right now, diving into the data. So let's look at it here. So this is looking at the MLS numbers for July 2021. So the median home price, this is for all here, all homes sold. That includes single family condos, manufactured homes, everything. That the price is 400,000. That is 27% above a year ago. Insane. 23% above 2 years ago. The number of homes for sale, and this was the thing that has been driving the market, is the number of homes for sale have been so low. And even in July, they were down 25% from a year ago. But really, that was a weird year, so we should look at 2019. And it was half. The number of homes for sale in July were half of 2019. Look at the houses sold, the number of homes sold were down only 5%. So, but the problem was that there were so few homes. So the sales were down a little bit, but the number of homes for sale were way down in July. New listings, this is what's changing the market now with something different. We're starting to see more homes hitting the market. So compared to 2019, we're seeing 17% more listings than in 2019. And that's been a trend that's been going on for June, July. We'll talk about that more. And then here's the graph. You can click on that graph to pull up the website. And here's the full graph. You can see the red line is the homes listed for sale. In this case, it's single family detached. They're turning up, but they're still super low. The green line are prices. Prices are starting to level off, which you'll see when we look at the weekly data below. So let's look at the weekly data. So I pull this from the Cromford report. And here's the big story right here. The number of homes for sale is increasing. It's been increasing for a couple of months, and it's going up pretty rapidly, but it's got a long way to go. It's got like 75% from the bottom to here, but it needs to double again to get into more of a normal market. And we may see that by the end of December or the end of the year. In some areas of Metro Phoenix, we could see it before then. So supply is slowly, well, not so slowly, but supply is increasing. You can see these relative things, how low. This is the number for sale in 2021 compared to 2019, and it's still super low. But you can see the new listings have been running a little higher than in 2019. It's just going to take time to get back to a not insane market. And now let's look at the prices. Here's the 1% increase from 1 month earlier, so it got to 430, went up 5. See, earlier it was going up like 10. Lots of months earlier this year was going up 15,000 a month, the median price. But between June and July, it only went up $5,000. And it looks like in August, it may not go up at all. So it's kind of flattening out, leveling off on prices. So what does that mean for you? So it means if you were buying, that prices may be leveling off, but the number of homes for sale is increasing, so you'll get better selection as time goes on. If you're selling, we there's no thing looking like prices are going to fall, but it looks like they may be leveling off. So if you were thinking of selling and just waiting to catch the top of the market, we may be there now. So that's my advice for this week. If you like this, tell people. I haven't done it in a long time. I didn't get a lot of response saying, "Hey, what happened to it?" So if you do like it, let me know, and I'll keep doing it. But it looks like if you're a buyer, you're going to get prices aren't going to go down, but you're probably going to get a lot better selection as time goes on, at least through the end of this year. Take care.